Top 5 Best Frying Pan Ceramic Set and Splash Guard. Number 5. Online, all with free shipping. Say goodbye to oil splatters and messy stovetops. Enjoy even heat distribution for perfect cooking. Whether you're a home cook or a pro chef, these pans with splash guards will make your kitchen life more enjoyable. Check. Latest price, visit the description link. Number 4. Looking for the best frying pans with splash guards that make cooking easier, cleaner, and healthier? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best frying pans with splash guards you can buy online, all with free shipping. Say goodbye to oil splatters and messy stovetops. Enjoy even heat distribution for perfect cooking. Whether you're a home cook or a pro chef, these pans with splash guards will make your kitchen life more enjoyable. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. With titanium, the Green Pan Paris Pro Frying Pan offers a durable, easy-to-clean surface for all types of cooking. Its splash guard ensures that oil splatters are minimized while you prepare your favorite dishes. This pan is also oven-safe and perfect for low-fat cooking. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. T-fal Stainless Steel Splatter Screen. The T-fal Stainless Steel Splatter Screen is made with high-quality stainless steel mesh and is designed to prevent hot oil splashes from making a mess in the kitchen. Its large diameter offers ample coverage for large pans. The ergonomic handle features a soft touch design for comfort, and the screen is dishwasher safe. Best for large frying pans and easy handling. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 1. Ozeri Kitchen Splatter Guard. The Ozeri Kitchen Splatter Guard is a great budget-friendly option made from premium stainless steel mesh. It offers excellent protection against hot oil and grease splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The silicone-covered handle ensures a safe, non-slip grip and is designed to fit most frying pans. It's also dishwasher safe for convenience. Best for budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. Check latest price. Visit the description link.